Students, so you all understood about the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Next, multiple meaning of words. Look at these words, they have more than one meaning. Now some words are there, they have more than one meaning. For example, spring. What is the first meaning? Move suddenly towards someone or something. That is the spring. And the season after winter, it is also known as the spring. Next word is safe. Safe, very strong box with a lock. Also away from harm. Only one word, but they have two meanings. First, safe is the box with a lock in which we keep valuable things. Another safe is away from harm. We will see more words. Stamp, a small piece of paper that is pasted on a letter before posting. You must have seen the small stamps which are pasted on the postal cards. And bring down the foot hard on the ground. That is also known as the stamp, when we put our foot very hard on the ground. Sink, go under water. And large basin for washing. These both have the same word, that is sink. Watch. Now watch, it is a small clock worn on the wrist. You all must be knowing the watch we wear on the wrist of our hand. And next is the look at something or someone carefully. Other meaning is look at something continuously, that we are watching them. Now here are some sentences. Read these sentences, write the meaning of the highlighted words by choosing the right option from the words given above. First is, his father gifted him a watch on his birthday. Second is, would you like to watch the match on television? Now see here, both have the same words but it has the different meanings. His father gifted him a watch that he should wear around his wrist. And other is, would you like to watch the match on television? On television, would you like to watch the match? So these two words are having different meanings. So we have to write here. Watch. What we will write? A small clock. A small clock. And next watch is to look. He wants to use a rubber tire while swimming so that he does not sink. He wants rubber tire while swimming. See here, what is the word? Swimming. So this sink is that we should not drown under the water. Under water. And there are a lot of dirty dishes in the kitchen sink. This sink is the basin. Kitchen basin. Next is, don't forget to stick a stamp on the letter. This stamp is the small, see like this, small piece of paper that is pasted on the postal cards. So we can write here, small piece of paper. And that child would always stamp his foot in anger. You must have seen when the small children are angry, they always stamp their foot in anger on the ground. The tiger was ready to spring on the deer. What is the meaning of this spring? The tiger was ready to spring. He was about to pounce on the deer. And many flowers bloom in spring. This is the season. Many flowers bloom in spring. It is the season. Her mother keeps her jewelry in the safe. Where do we keep our jewelry? In the locker or any valuable box. It is known as the safe, that we can lock it. And it is safe to go out now. Safe to go out without harm. We can go out. See here, assessment of speaking and listening. Here some questions are given, but for that we have to refer to page 37. A paragraph is given. In this story you read about the hare and the sun. Now listen to another story about the hare and the moon. Then choose the right options to complete these sentences. See on page 37. See on page 37. This is the small paragraph given. You have to read it carefully and answer the questions given on page number 30. See here, 3 questions are given. You have to first read paragraph and then answer these questions. Now, pronunciation consonant sounds in tap and dog. Say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. Now, some words are having same sound. See here. Tap, tiger, bite, right, water. Toe, toe, toe. Whenever we are saying these words, the word sound is the same. T word, T. T word is the same. See, tap, tiger. But when we say take, the word changes. It becomes tay. But here, T. Understood? Now say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. Next letter are dog, deep, dark, head, leader. Do, do. This sound is same sound. Now next is speaking, asking for help. In this story, the animals ask the hare to help them. Here are some ways in which you can ask for help. In this lesson also, how the sun was rescued. What we have observed, that animals were asking hare to help them. So these are some sentences that we can use in our day-to-day activities also. Can you help me? Will you help me? Would you mind? Would you help me? Could you help me? Could you please? So these are the words you can use it whenever you are asking for help. Imagine you have missed school one day and need to take your partner's help to find out how to solve a sum that was taught when you were absent. Take turns to role play this situation. Now whenever you are absent in the class, we always ask our friend that which questions were being taught in the class, and we also ask for the help. What we will ask? Can you help me with this sum? Right? Next is the writing, describing an object. How we describe an object? In this story, the pot was described in detail. It was smooth, white and shiny. It was made of stone. A ball of fire was burning in it. So, in this lesson we have studied about the pot that was described. You can also take some examples at your home also. Like this, you can draw a star, or you can take any object in center and you can describe it in other ways. See here. Here some picture is given. One, this is a fork and it is being described. 3 sharp points, long handle, shiny silver color, used to eat food, and cold smooth metal. You can take any objects. This is an activity you can do on your own. Next is punctuation. You have to put punctuations like comma, full stop and capital letters. This is a note written by all the animals of the jungle to thank the hare. They were so excited that they forgot to put in any punctuation marks. Now rewrite the note with the right punctuation. You will need to put capital letters, full stop, comma and explanation marks. So see here, read this paragraph and put this capital letter, full stop, comma, exclamation marks and show this to me. This is a small activity. Fill in the bubbles below with interesting facts about you. Stick your small photo here and write here your good qualities. Any interesting facts about you. That use these facts to make a poster about yourself. Give it a title. Then put it up in the classroom for others to know you better. You can just write here your interesting qualities and stick a picture of yours.